مرحبا.
Hi everyone.
اليوم سنرى الكلمات التي نستعملها لوصف ما نشعر به. سعيد أو فرح.
Happy. Happy. I am happy. I am happy. You are happy. You are happy. He is happy. He is happy. She is happy. She is happy. It is happy. It is happy. We are happy. We are happy. They are happy. They are happy.
حزين.
Sad. Sad.
هم حزينون.
They are sad. They are sad. They're sad.
نحن حزينون.
We are sad. We are sad. We're sad.
جاري حزين.
My neighbor is sad. My neighbor is sad.
جائع.
Hungry. Hungry.
هي جائعة.
She is hungry. She is hungry. She's hungry.
أنا حقا جائع.
I am really hungry. I am really hungry. I'm really hungry.
القطط جائعة.
The cats are hungry. The cats are hungry.
عطشان.
Thirsty. Thirsty.
ابنتي عطشانة.
My daughter is thirsty. My daughter is thirsty.
أنت عطشان.
You are thirsty. You are thirsty. You're thirsty.
نحن عطشة.
We are thirsty. We are thirsty. We're thirsty.
آسف.
Sorry. Sorry.
أنا آسف.
I am sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry.
هو آسف.
He is sorry. He is sorry. He's sorry.
هم حقا آسفون.
They are really sorry. They are really sorry. They're really sorry.
مستاء.
Upset. Upset.
إنهم مستاءون حقا.
They are really upset. They are really upset. They're really upset.
إنه مستاء.
He is upset. He is upset. He's really upset.
الناس مستاءون.
People are upset. People are upset.
شكرا على المشاهدة. إذا كانت لديكم أسئلة أو اقتراحات فيمكنكم تركها في المكان المخصص للتعليقات لأجيب عنها. والآن إلى اللقاء في فيديو آخر إن شاء الله.